How to create loyalty program on Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. So in order to achieve this, you will need to have a third-party application on your Shopify store. So just log into your Shopify admin, click on apps, and click on all recommended apps. Now the one that I'm going to show you in this video is going to be Essentials loyalty program, but there's also alternatives. So if you don't like this one specifically, you're going to find others. For example, this one right here, which is very popular, which is the Smile app. But in my case, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use the Essentials app. So this is the one that we are going to be showcasing today. It does have a very good free plan as well. So once you actually find it, simply click on install. Now click on install one more time. And now we begin the setup process. So first, again, Essentials is very, very easy to set up. This is why I chose this one specifically. So here we can set up the reward rates. You can actually see that the changes here take place on the right side, as you can see, how many points they get and how much they can redeem out of those points that they actually end up getting. So if you don't really want to give a lot because you're just, for example, starting out, you can just play it safe with 3%. You can go for 5 if you want it to be, a little higher, and if you really want to give them a lot of benefits, then you can just go for 8%. I'm just going to go for 5 and click on setup program. So next up, we're going to have we have different ways that people can actually earn points. And obviously points are everything in a loyalty program because people are just going to spend money for your site and they're going to earn points, which again is just going to allow them to, let's say, redeem basically some money again. So this is going to be how they earn these points. We have active ways to earn points and also inactive ones. So active ones are going to be by default place an order, place a first order, which is going to be 10 points. Regular orders are going to be 8. Subscribe to newsletter is going to be 400, which is great for people to subscribe to your newsletter. And also if you want to celebrate a birthday, it's going to be 600 points, which is also great. You also have other inactive ones that you can just feel free to enable. So you have two options: either enable them or edit them if they're active. For example, let's just take place an order and click on edit. So by default, it's going to be an increment of points. So it's going to be 8 points for every dirham they spend. So this is going to be obviously within your currency. So this is in mine. So for every dirham they spent, they're going to get 8 points. You can just feel free to adjust this as you like. And if you want it to be a fixed amount of points that you just give for every order, you can just feel free to do this and skip the increments. But I'm just going to leave it as it is. And this is going to be unlimited by default, but if you don't want it to be unlimited, then you could just do 1. This means it's only going to be one-time action for each customer. But I'm just going to leave it as it is, as in unlimited. And you can just click on save. So this is basically how to edit each active way to earn points. You can just feel free to tone down the birthday and subscribe your newsletter if you don't really want it to be that high, but I actually recommend it because people are going to do it like pretty much just once for newsletters and once a year for birthday, so it's fine. But let's just take another one here from the inactive ones. Let's say visit a link or follow on X. We want to enable this. So you simply just click on enable and you just want to add your X handle or Facebook page, whatever it may be. And they're going to basically get a fixed amount of points. You can just feel free to adjust that over here. So again, just click on save once you're happy with it. And you're pretty much going to be good to go. So once you're happy with the ways people earn points, you can just click on activate program from the top here. Next up, you're just going to enable the app embed. So click on this, which is going to take you to the editor where you can actually enable the app embed. Very simple. Just make sure this is toggled on and click on save from the top right corner. And now it should be activated for you. And this is now turned on for you. Now you can obviously feel free to pause it whenever you want. But I also forgot to mention that you want to go to the bottom if you click on points here to select the ways to redeem the points. By default, it's going to be $5 per 1,000 points, I believe. So you're just going to change that. In this case, this is not $5. This is in my currency. So you just want to adjust that as well. And you're going to find some options here when it comes to redeeming these points. And by the way, you have different types here. For example, the main one is fixed amount discount. But you can make it custom amount discount, free product, free shipping, whatever it may be really. So it's really completely up to you when it comes to customization options. Just make sure you click on save once you're done and go back, and now everything is ready to go and set in place. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.